It was definitely a tight fit.
Nice. So you added this, or is this part?
So the box is for the DD 9500s.
Okay.
And the hole is like 13 inches.
Okay.
The hole is like 13 inches, and basically I had to put
Shop everything audio at 12 Volt Beyond, link in the description, and use discount code JacobViral to save. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
While you're getting set up, could you tell me your name and what's in here?
I'm TC from, well, I work for Rudy's.
Okay.
Rudy's Car Audio, and basically it is two Scar VXF 12s on an SCV 4K, which it's on a half a ohm, and it's putting down like 6K out of the amp with
Yep.
that.
Okay.
And
what is it tuned to?
It's tuned to 33 hertz.
Okay. Alright. Is it louder with the seat down?
Yeah, well the seat actually is, it doesn't fold down.
Yeah.
But I custom cut it and whatnot to make it lay down.
Yep. Okay.
Just like it folds down.
Alright. That way you have all your pressure coming out of the trunk.
Yep.
Got it. Alright.
And the box doesn't quite fit all the way straight in.
Yep, so it's crooked.
So it's crooked, but it actually works in benefit because it traps the air and pushes it that much harder.
It'll come around the box more instead of blocking it in the cab. Yep, in the trunk cabin. Alright. Oh, you got a sunroof.
Yeah, I had to do this. It broke 3 different times and I finally got it to close.
Yeah.
And just since yesterday, beating so hard, it's came back down.
Base breaks everything.
Now I gotta fix it again before it rains.
Okay.
And then, I got the Apocalypse Sylvesters all the way around for my highs.
Okay.
And that's on a, what is it? It's a 45x4 channel amp.
Yep. Alright. Is there any way I can see the back?
Yeah.
The trunk and all? I appreciate the demo, man. Dude, that thing moves a lot, you're right.
It does. Like I said, it broke 3 times. I'm lucky it hasn't broke this. If I didn't do all this up here, it would have broke the windshield.
Cabin mods help a lot, yep. So could you fit the box in here or had to go through the front?
No, it came in this way.
It did? Okay.
It was definitely a tight fit.
Nice. So you added this, or is this part?
So the box is for the DD 9500s.
Okay.
And the hole is like 13 inches.
Okay.
The hole is like 13 inches. And basically I had to put face plates on it to be able to fit the speakers in there. Basically I had to put the fit the face plates in there, fit the speakers in and whatnot.
Okay.
And
nice.
Other than that, the box is 6 cubic feet.
Yeah.
And I just upgraded to the Lithium Bank like
that help a lot?
Friday. Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
I honestly feel like I was better on the AGMs just because there was more reserve right there constantly.
Yeah.
And this is my first Lithium Bank I've ever had like this. It's an LTO bank. So I'm still kind of playing with it and seeing what I can get out of it.
Thank you, sir. Nice to meet you, man. Appreciate the demo.
Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Boom, pop. valley, I'ma give a boom pop.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.